Now we're going to start the removal process, and it's not too long of a job. First up, you'll remove your factory airbox cover. You'll loosen these hose clamps and pull them off. Next up, you'll be removing these lines. I'm kind of taking a small flathead screwdriver to pry this up and get it out. Next up, you'll want to do this one on the driver's side. You'll remove the map sensor harness. You'll also want to remove the harness from the tube, and then you'll repeat this step on the other side. Next up, you'll remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt from the air intake box. For the passenger side, you'll have to remove this box, and there's a little metal and plastic bracket that you put the screwdriver in between, and that allows you to pull it up. And then you kind of just tuck that out of the way. Now you should be able to fully remove the whole tube and filter. And then to get this box out, it kind of just pops out.